On today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV, there's a versatile classic summer salad. Nice, casual cucumbers with vinegar and a more elegant cucumbers with sour cream. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. It's summertime here in New Jersey, so we're going to be making a classic summer dish. We're going to be making a cucumber and onion salad, and we're going to make it two ways. Let's start with the cucumbers. I have here a variety of cucumbers in front of me. This is probably what you're used to. Generic cucumbers that you can get everywhere, and they're especially good this time of year with all the fresh produce. Then I have these English cucumbers. This is how they come in the store, wrapped in plastic. Sometimes you can find them at the local farmer's market and grab them up if you can, but generally you find these year-round in the supermarkets. What's the difference? Well, clearly this is longer. This has a much thinner skin. And while the generic cucumber, the skin is certainly edible, it's a lot thicker. So you generally have to peel it before you eat it. These you don't, and the seeds are much, much smaller, so they're probably a little more digestible for some people. If you cannot find these, use generic cucumber. You just want to peel it away with a vegetable peeler. Simple as that. Okay, so let's get rid of these. As I said, this is a cucumber and onion salad. So the first ingredient is cucumber. Now you can cut it with a knife. Just little coins, easy peasy, right? Anyone can do that. I'm not going to do it that way. I'm going to use a special tool called a mandoline, and here it is. This is my mandoline. Now, this is a very sharp cutting instrument. What I like about it is that the blade is adjustable. It has this little knob on the side and you can adjust it. And what it does is it ensures that every slice is the exact same thickness. So it's really handy when you're doing things like scalloped potatoes because everything's the same thickness. It's very adjustable. It has different blades. For example, it has this little crinkly cut blade like that, and it has some other adjustments too, but we're going to use just the plain straight blade today. These are very sharp. Most of the time they come with a guard, and you want to use the guard to do your slicing so you don't slice off anything from your little fingers. We've seen that happen too many times. Now I'm going to do a cucumber, so I can't really use the guard, but I promise I'll be super, super careful. Watch how simple this is. We'll start with this one, and you just run it along. You don't have to go very fast. And we'll stop just short, and we'll do a few more. Now with the cucumber, like I say, you don't really need the guard because you can... Okay, you get the idea. So let's get rid of this. And these we'll put in our bowl. Simple, right? Next is onions. I have just regular old onion here. This is a very big onion. You can use whatever onions you want. Yellow, red, white. Vidalia even, whatever you like. Now all I've done, because this is such a big onion, I cut it in half from root to tip, and then I took part of the tip side off and peeled the skin away. Now I'm going to cut an incision. I'm not going to go all the way through the root though. I'm just going to go straight down like that. What that does is that gives me smaller pieces instead of one great big giant half moon. They'll just be a little smaller. You could do this on the mandolin, be a little tougher, so this we'll just do with the knife. Keeping your fingers out of the way, just like that, just straight down, easy peasy, right? And you see, you get these nice little pieces. So that's all I really need for this. And we're going to put these right here. Okay. Next is dill. This is what fresh dill looks like. Isn't it lovely? It's green and almost kind of furry and ferny. You can use dry dill for this, but if you can get fresh, I highly recommend it. It's much, much better. Easy, easy, easy. Just going to take our knife and kind of shave some of the tops off. And then chop it up. If you get a little bit of the smaller stems, it's fine. They're very tender. You can just chop them up. Okay, how easy was that and how fast was that? Now, safety tip, guys. I know on TV we see all the chefs and they take their chef's knife and they scoop stuff up with their hands and get it in there and do whatever. I never do that, ever. When I was in cooking school, I was watching a demonstration and the chef was a seasoned pro and he was chopping onions and talking and demonstrating, and someone said, "Oh, do you ever cut yourself?" And he said, "Oh no, I've been cooking for 40 years. And he did this and embedded the knife into his hand just like that. So while he got taken away for stitches, we all had to endure a lecture on knife safety. So please don't do that. Use a bench scraper. You can use it for more than just bread dough. It's not sharp, and I think it works a little better. Okay, now this salad goes really, really fast. First thing, cucumbers. Here's my bowl of cubes. Onions. For this amount, that's probably a good amount of onions. Salt, of course, big pinch. Some pepper. Some dill. Now I will have exact proportions in the recipes on YouTube. This is just for demo. So we're just going to put this nice healthy pinch, probably about a quarter cup of dill in there. Now this is going to seem odd, but trust me, I'm going to put in a pinch of sugar, a healthy pinch. You're probably wondering, what? So let me explain. The salt will start to draw the water out of the cucumbers. The sugar is going to soften the onions and the vinegar. This dressing for this is 2/3 cup of vinegar. I'm using red wine vinegar today, and 1/3 cup of olive oil. Again, you can use whatever vinegar you like. I might not use balsamic. It would probably turn things dark, but it would be tasty. So in that goes. Simple. Mix it well. Now you can at this point serve it up and eat it, but I wouldn't. For me, wrap it in cling film, into the fridge, 2 to 4 hours, or even better, overnight. So into the fridge this goes. How fast was that? And we're not even done yet. Our next, cucumbers with sour cream and dill. So I have here a pint of my favorite sour cream. Right? Oh, well, this was open before. Okay, we're going to use about half of this container. So put it right in a bowl. Easy. We'll get this out of the way. Splash of milk. I have about 2 tablespoons here. I'm going to put some in. What this is going to do is it's going to loosen up the sour cream so it'll blend a little better. Okay. A squeeze of lemon. What's the lemon going to do? The lemon is going to act like vinegar. It's going to add a little acid, give it a little brightness. So I'll probably squeeze half a lemon or so. You don't need much. A little bit of salt, just a tiny bit. And of course, some dill. Healthy amount. Again, half cup or so. Whisk this all together. Until it just combines. Takes but a moment. Now, here we go. Cucumbers. Some onions. Same amount. Healthy amount of salt. Pepper. And our dressing. Now, that goes right in there. Try not to spill on the board like I just did. Again, just mix this up. Mixy, mixy, really quick. Of course, you'll do a better job at it than I'm doing right now. But we'll just give this a quick mix, and then guess where it goes? Cling film and into the fridge. Again, 2 to 4 hours. Overnight is better. Okay, that will do for now. I'm going to pop this right in the fridge. How fast was that? Now, we're going to have a taste of some salads that I made last night, and I'll talk to you about a few more things you can do with these great cucumbers this time of year, and a couple of little twists on the salad. I'm going to tidy up, and then we'll taste. And here we are to taste our 2 cucumber salads. The first is our cucumbers with oil and vinegar and a little sugar, salt and pepper. Now what's that like? It's a little pickly, crisp, and delicious. The other is our same ingredients, but with sour cream. Let's have a little taste. Taste of summertime. Bright and pickly. Nice and sharp vinegar. Or the much softer, but still delicious and refreshing, sour cream. And here's 2 easy and super fast salads that didn't require any cooking or turning on the stove or heating up the kitchen or anything. Perfect for summer. Now you could jazz these up a little bit. For example, I found these beautiful rainbow colored radishes at the farmer's market today. I would cut them up and put them in the vinegar salad. You could also add carrots, would be nice. Now, you could change the onions. You could leave the onions out altogether. You could also add all of this to the sour cream salad as well. And what would you serve these with? If it were me, and it very often is, this one is great for barbecue that's outside. Because of the vinegar, you don't have to worry about the dairy product spoiling. But it goes great with hot dogs and hamburgers, grilled chicken, things like that. This I would save for a little more refined event. Maybe if you're going to grill some salmon and then eat inside in the air conditioning, this would be a great side dish. And cucumbers, what else can you do? We like to have cucumber water at our dinner parties, especially this time of year. You just slice them up, put them in some ice water, and it adds a nice refreshing lift to the water. Or, this is my personal favorite, little slice of cucumber in a gin martini. Let me give that a taste too. Yeah, I needed that. Okay, so as always, guys, we're going to put these recipes up on the comment section of YouTube, and we will add links to any products that we use or talk about. Now, ask us questions and let us know what you think in the comments section. I'm curious, what summer salads do you make? What would you serve these with? Let us know. We really want to hear from you. Now remember, hit the like button so that everyone knows you enjoyed the show. And subscribe so you don't miss a single episode of Let's Celebrate TV. Now you can check out the rest of our videos anytime at all, anytime you want at youtube.com/Let's Celebrate TV. That's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you enjoy this quick classic summer salad. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Cheers.